Hey, welcome back. Today I'm showing you how to pay with Easypaisa on Temu, the shopping app that's been buzzing in Pakistan. It's an easy process once you know the steps, so let's get started. First, download the Temu app from your app store or visit the temu.com. Sign up with your email or phone number. Keep it simple. Make sure your account region is set to Pakistan, so Easypaisa shows up as an option. Browse the app, pick your items, clothes for example, badges, whatever you're into, and add them into your cart. When you're ready, tap the cart icon and hit checkout. That's where the payment magic happens. At the checkout, scroll through the payment options, look for Easypaisa. It's usually there if you've made a prior card payment, as some users note it unlocks after your first transaction. Tap to select it. You'll be redirected to enter your Easypaisa mobile number, log into your Easypaisa account via the app or dial 786 if prompted, confirm the amount Temu shows. It'll be in PKR, then enter your PIN to approve the payment. Done. Once paid, Temu will confirm your order. Check your Easypaisa app for a transaction receipt. It should show instantly. If there's a delay or it fails, double check your balance and internet connection, then retry. That's it, you're now shopping on Temu with Easypaisa. It's smooth once you've got it to set up. Try it out and let me know how it goes in the comments. Like and subscribe for more handy tutorials. See you next time.